In this video, we'd like to represent the new drag and drop style upload function that has been developed and implemented on the Webspace. The main intention for the new document uploader is to make it smoother to upload large number of documents. Some of the great things about the new uploader are, say, if the upload fails, then you won't lose all your documents. It's much smoother and easier way to upload documents. It works across all the platforms without needing to install anything. It's also much simple to upload a stack of files. For example, if you need to upload the whole directory on your computer. And also you can correct any revisions or titles while they are uploading. Now let's have a look at how we upload the documents. In the first scenario, we'll drag a file or number of files on a project with a standard document template. For that, we need to expand the folder by clicking on the blue plus sign and then click Add New Revise button. It'll bring us to the uploader screen where we can select files from our local PC or a network drive. Then we left mouse click on it, drag and release into this window. Now we see how the green percentage bar shows us that the document has been uploaded. If the document size is bigger, it may take a little while to upload it, and the system does it on the background. And while the system is doing it, we can edit the document title, revision, and select the status. If the status is the same for all the documents, we can select it and then apply to all. By clicking apply to all button, it will default to one particular status, so you don't have to choose the status all the time. Now if you want to upload a number of documents, then you can select them all and drag and drop into the uploader window, and you can see how it fills up on the background. Again, we can edit title, revision, and status if required. We can also select what file to upload by using Choose File button. So by clicking it, we can manually select what file to upload. Say we want to add another file, and we can select testdoc.rvt, double click, and we see that the document has been uploaded automatically on the background. Now let's have a quick look at the second scenario, a project with a special document naming protocol. For that we repeat the same steps as above, and then we specify the categories required for the correct title. In this case, we have to choose a particular category. Say for structural engineer, it will be ST. Then, if required, we select the second category. If there are other prefixes, then we select the prefixes. And if required, we edit the document title as well. Revision, and check the status is okay, and then we hit upload button. Okay, let's go back to our project called test. Now when we have drafts pre-uploaded with the correct titles, revisions, and status, we move them to uploaded. For that we have to click upload button. Once we've done that, the documents appear in folders and ready for review and download for other people. Before that, they are not showing up on any page or folder. We also have to select people who we want to notify on the left hand side, and also put a message. And then don't forget to click upload button. Now the upload is complete, and all our drawings appear in a folder that we chose to upload it into. The next step is to have a look at how to switch between revisions to existing documents and the new documents. Once we have a document that we want to update with the new revision, we have to click change revision button. So we select the documents, drag and drop, and now we see the revisions. We can click on the button to change to new document or back to revision. If we want to select that all documents to be revisions, then we click on change to all to revision button. Now the system recognizes what document it is, and we can say it's a revision B, and then hit upload. Yeah, don't forget to specify what person you want to notify. New revision, upload, and now we see that we have drawing 1, 2, and 3 with the revision B. So if we click on the revision column, we see two documents: the original one and the one that we just updated with a new revision. Another great feature of the new uploader is that it recognizes the file names. So if you have PDFs in DWGs with the same names, you just drag and drop them, into the download section, and the new uploader recognizes that it's a file name, say drawing 1, and it puts PDF and DWG under one title. So you can see the row with the drawing 1, which has two documents, one PDF and one DWG. Exactly the same for drawing 2. So the system recognized that the file name is drawing 2 for both files, PDF and DWG. So you don't have to manually put the second file into the same section. Let's have a look at another example. Say we have two files, one PDF, one DWG, and they both share the same name. So all we have to do is select them, drag and drop, and we can see that system recognizes it as one file name, so it puts under one title both files, PDF and DWG. And all we have to do is click on upload button, and of course we have to notify other users. Upload, and we see that all the files went into the hydraulic section. Okay, so now I want to show you how to delete an upload row or to delete a single draft. For that, say we have some files pre-uploaded, and to delete a row, the whole row, we have to click on the X sign on the right hand side. So if we click it, the whole row disappears. If we want to delete a single file, a single draft. Then we click on the X sign next to the file itself. Right. Another point that's worth mentioning is, say we pre-uploaded the files, drafts, and for whatever reason we closed the window. So we completely closed the internet browser, or we went to browse another window, and then say we went back to documents, back to the folder, and we see that you can close the upload window, and the beauty of the system is that all the drafts that have been uploaded appear again. They won't disappear, so you don't lose your work. So they stay here until you click upload button. So upload button commit them to the file system, and they appear in the documents. So at the moment, even though we have files pre-uploaded as drafts into the hydraulic folder, so if we check the folder hydraulic, there's nothing there until we click the upload button. So we specify people, yeah, upload complete, and if now we go back and check the hydraulic folder, we see that all the drawings are there. Another question that many people ask is what's the difference between view and download section? So basically the view files are simple file types, such as PDF, doc, txt, some image files, JPEG, and etc. Download files usually for AutoCAD, Revit, and say Photoshop files. So non-standard, more complex and larger file types. That completes our training video. Thank you for watching.